When did rest become impermissible? I remember one time my computer breaking down and calling IT support when I got the dreaded piece of advice, "Did you unplug your computer?" Didn't they know how busy I was and how many things I had to get done? I didn't have time to unplug. Not allowing ourselves to unplug and to rest is something I've since learned is part and parcel of our dysfunctional relationship to work, as well as FOMO, the fear of missing out. The modern work ethic equates rest with laziness, being idle with wasting time. We admire hard workers. Because hard work is so valued, pushing yourself gets rewarded. It means you're productive, contributing, using your time wisely. Fear of missed opportunities drives many people. Scratch under the surface, though, and what this is really about is anxiety. The fear of missing out on personal experiences or professional opportunities reflects the following limiting belief. By doing X, I will be happy, satisfied, successful, at peace. It doesn't matter what your X is. X is a form of work because it doesn't come from a place of ease. FOMO is always elusive, and its very slipperiness is what keeps you in a state of hyperarousal of the sympathetic nervous system. Is it any wonder you feel anxiety being surrounded by it on all sides, societally and within yourself? Rest is a choice, not a reward after hard work. Rest rejuvenates and gives you peace. In a peaceful state, you can solve anything. Rest feels good, and when you feel good, you are aligned internally. You connect to who you are and your values. From that grounded place, you are far more effective. Rest isn't impermissible. That's just the value you've assigned to it. The good news is, if you've assigned the value, you have the power to change it. If you feel discomfort arise from not doing anything, remind yourself that unplugging gives you the space to see clearly. Give yourself some space. Give yourself a rest.